Do you want to create an eye-catching effect where your video starts in black and white, then reveals only a specific color? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reveal color from black and white using Hue slider in CapCut Mobile. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. Tap on your video clip. And below, click the Adjust button. It will reveal to a lot of options. Scroll through the options and click the Saturation button. Slide the slider all the way to the left. And now, find the HSL. In here, you can see the Hue section. Find the color that you want that suits your video, and adjust it according to what you need. In this video, we choose color blue. You can also use the slider to adjust the intensity of the color or filter. First, you can adjust the saturation slider. Also, you can adjust the hue slider. Lastly, you can adjust the lightness slider. If you're done, click on the check button. It's now time to preview and refine the effect. Tap the play button to preview your edit. Once you're happy with the result, tap the export button in the top right corner of your screen. And that's it! That's how you reveal color from black and white using Hue sliders in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you!